Students, let's study chapter 4 adverb phrase and adverb clause. Students, what is mean by adverb? An adverb is a word which tells us the manner, time and place of an action. It means it tells us how the action is done, when the action is done and where it is done. An adverb phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adverb. Now look at the following pair of sentences. First one is Milka Singh ran quickly. Milka Singh ran with great speed. Here, these two sentences answer how the action is done. In first sentence, we use single word quickly to define how the action is done. It is an adverb. And in sentence 2, with great speed, we use a group of words to describe how the action is done. So it is an adverb phrase where we use a group of words to describe an action, and that does the work of an adverb. It's called an adverb phrase. Sentence 2, you answered rudely. Rudely is an adverb. You answered in a very rude manner. A very rude manner is an adverb phrase because it does the work of an adverb. My uncle is coming now. Now it is an adverb. My uncle is coming at this very moment. This very moment is an adverb phrase because it does the work of an adverb. No such disease were known then. Then is an adverb. No such disease were known in those days. In those days is an adverb phrase because it does the work of an adverb. You can buy it everywhere. Everywhere is an adverb. You can buy it in all places. In all places is an adverb phrase because it does the work of an adverb. She fell down. Down is an adverb. She fell to the ground. To the ground is an adverb phrase because it does the work of an adverb. So, students, the group of words that does the work of an adverb are known as adverb phrase. Okay. Now look at some other adverb and adverb phrases. Note that they convey the same meaning. For example, one was there. First one is there, adverb. At that place, adverb phrase. Second, away, adverb. To another place, adverb phrase. Beautifully, adverb. In a beautiful style, adverb phrase. Recently, adverb. Just now, at a recent date, adverb phrase. Bravely, adverb. And in a brave manner with bravery, adverb phrase. Swiftly, adverb. In a swift manner with swiftness, adverb phrase. Unwisely, adverb. In an unwise manner without wisdom, adverb phrase. Soon, adverb. Before very long, at an early date, adverb phrase. Remember, these two pairs have the same meaning. Adverb and adverb phrase convey the same meaning. Now comes adverb clause. An adverb clause is a group of words which contain a subject and predicate of its own and does the work of an adverb. Adverb phrase. Just like adverb phrase, adverb clause does the work of an adverb, but it contains a subject and predicate of its own. Now look at the two sentences. First one is, the stolen property was found in the dacoit's hiding place. In the dacoit's hiding place is a phrase or a clause. It's a phrase because it does not contain a subject and predicate of its own. Next in, stolen property was found where the dacoits were accustomed to hide. Where the dacoits were accustomed to hide, it's a clause because it contains a subject where, and the other part, the dacoits were accustomed to hide, is a predicate. So adverb clause contain a subject and predicate of its own. An adverb clause does the work of an adverb. It indicates the time, place, manner, reason, purpose, result or condition related to the action mentioned in the main clause. The underlying work of the words in these sentences form an adverb clause. First one is, if I like it, I shall buy it. If I like it is an adverb clause. It indicates the condition. You may do as you please. As you please is an adverb clause. indicate a manner. They can stay where they are. Where they are, adverb clause, it indicates a place. We eat so that we may live. So that we may live, adverb clause, it indicates purpose. Manner, it happened as I had expected. As I had expected, adverb clause, it indicates manner. Since I love you, I shall help you. Since I love you, adverb clause, it indicates reason. I will do it when I have time for it. When I have time for it, adverb clause, it indicates time. I visited the place where I was born. Where I was born is an adverb clause, it indicates place. You will succeed if you work hard. If you work hard is an adverb clause, it indicates condition. It was so cold that many people died. That many people died, adverb clause, it indicates result. He failed because he did not work hard. Because he did not work hard, adverb clause, it indicates reason. He is so good as a man. He is so good a man that all respect him. That all respect him, adverb clause, it indicates result. Walk fast so that you may catch the train. So that you may catch the train, it indicates purpose and it is an adverb clause. As soon as he heard the news, he came to me. As soon as he heard the news, adverb clause, it indicates time. So students, I have told you what is meant by adverb clause and what is meant by adverb phrase. Thank you.